It is said that fortune favors the brave. Often business owners and entrepreneurs end up blaming their luck, the situation, the government, the taxes, and a lot of other things. We all know the list. But does success in business really depend upon these factors? Or is there a completely different aspect to this? Let's check it out. Hello everyone, welcome to Business Pill. Business Pill stands for Business with Perpetual Income and Limited Liabilities. Learn your business bit by bit. I am Arindam Mukhopadhyay, entrepreneur and business coach. If you like to become successful against all odds and difficulties, then you need to learn about Balwant Parekh, India's Fevicol man. Balwantrai Kalyanji Parekh's journey from a non-entity to India's Fevicol man and one among the most important industrialists motivates us to become the simplest version of ourselves. He acquired law degree from Government Law College Mumbai but didn't practice law. He rather worked in dyeing and printing press in Mumbai and later joined a wood trader's office as a peon, where he stayed within the warehouse alongside his wife. Balwant Bhai was waiting for a better opportunity. He got exposure to the export-import of dyes while doing the job. He befriended Mohan Bhai, a dye trader, and began dye import on latter's investment. Balwant Bhai started importing cycle, arecanut, pepper dyes from Western countries. The business flourished and Balwant Bhai made some money. Balwant Bhai, after separation from Mohan Bhai, joined a German company called Fitco that promoted the interest of German giant Hext in India on a 50% partnership agreement. They also allowed him to do other sundry businesses. The German MD was proud of Balwant Bhai's business acumen and invited him to go to their German company and take training there. Balwant Bhai now wanted to place in practice the training he received in Germany. So he, alongside his brother, found a dye and chemical factory in Jacob Circle in 1954. The company was named Parekh Dyechem Industries, which was later renamed Pidilite Industries in 1959. They made a glue named Fevicol, building Fevicol into a household brand through memorable advertising campaigns. He redefined the concept of selling a staid adhesive. Pidilite started expanding rapidly and even went overseas. A total of 14 subsidiaries were formed with manufacturing plants within US, Thailand and Singapore. In the past 5 years, sales of Pidilite doubled to 3,442 crores. Pidilite is made on a philosophy that binds its people together and cares about the general well-being of the employees. Balwant Bhai was a warm, loving and caring leader who inspired the lives of all those he touched. To the people who knew him closely, he was an exceptional person with a multifaceted persona. He reached out to everyone who came in his contact and left an indelible print on them. He was an avid reader and a lover of books. Forbes India ranks him 45th on its annual Rich List rankings. His family's stake in Pidilite totaled $1.36 billion. Today, this company manufactures quite 75 products. Fevistick, Fevikwik, Fevicol Marine are a few among them. Fevicol became popular worldwide and has also won the award Lion of the Cannes, which is like the Oscar award for the ad filmmakers. Ever since 2006, the brand has maintained its focus on international expansion by setting up factories within the US, Thailand, Dubai, Egypt, and Bangladesh. The company has also built a research center in Singapore. Through brilliant advertising campaigns, Pidilite Industries has made an unexciting product like Fevicol a top brand. Balwant Bhai believed any milestone can be achieved if you pursue your dreams with passion and enthusiasm. Balwant Bhai observed that Indian adhesive market was dominated by glues made from animal fats which were clumsy and cumbersome. Fevicol, being a synthetic resin adhesive, had an advantage due to its ease of application. Before advent of Fevicol, adhesive was alleged to be mixed with water for application. This made the merchandise immensely popular among the carpenters. Here are top 3 reasons why Fevicol became a market leader today. Fevicol used marketing strategy to sell to its customers. They focused more on selling on to the carpenters, while others concentrated on hardware stores. He noticed that a standard carpenter remained instrumental in determining which adhesive to be used and was the foremost influential person within the value chain. So for them, General public were not their targeted customers. The targeted customers were carpenters because these carpenters were actually the decision makers in selecting the adhesive. They sent furniture designs to carpenters every quarter. The idea was to add value to the carpenter's job. Fevicol strengthened social relations between its customers. Fevicol started sponsoring social activities targeting carpenters and their families by fixing Fevicol Champions Club. The platform also served as a network where all carpenters became a family, giving them a way of belonging. The brand created a robust bond and a high level of trust with the carpenters through free dental checkups, education scholarships, festival celebrations, etc. This fueled Fevicol's word-of-mouth publicity. It also helped Fevicol to create strong brand equity for itself. Fevicol secured trust in the mind of the customers through mind-boggling advertising. Fevicol continued to grow over the decades through product innovation, maintaining product quality, building a solid distribution network, and outstanding marketing. The sarcastic, humorous ads of Fevicol earned millions of hearts. Fevicol's brand image has been such that even Bollywood used the brand in the song Fevicol Se, featuring Salman Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan. In 2014, Prime Minister of India Mr. Narendra Modi mentioned Fevicol while stating the relationship between India and Japan. ये Fevicol से भी मजबूत जोड़ है, टूटेगा नहीं. Here is one of the famous TV ads which exhibits an egg that don't crack as the hen that laid it was fed from a Fevicol tub. Another ad had a bus carrying enormous numbers of passengers glued together. Phrases like दम लगाकर है ऐसा, जोर लगाकर है ऐसा, and Fevicol का मजबूत जोर है, टूटेगा नहीं. The strong bond of Fevicol won't break became popular among the mass. When we visit a store, most of us don't ask for glue or adhesive. We ask for Fevicol or Fevistick. For us, Fevicol stands for strong bonding or stubborn stickness. So that's all for today. If you have any feedback or query, share it in our comment section and we will address it in our future video. Remember to connect with us and our Knowledge Hub by subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon and like the video to help us reach more audience. With this, we come to an end with a promise to see you all next week. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.